Hi, today I'll be creating this vertical icon bar. You can see it has the icons of some famous companies. One of the top icon has a different color, which is meant to represent it being in an active state. And when you hover over the others, they change their background color. So to talk a little bit about how we're going to go about each of these icons will actually be an anchor element. So if I just select the pen tool, but as you know, anchor elements will automatically align on the same line because they're inline blocks. So in order to make them hang vertically, we're going to change them into block level elements, which would then align them, as you can see above, vertically, and then each one of those will contain an icon, which is what you can see above. Okay, so let's get on with that. Okay, as you can see here, I have a basic setup here. If I go to the settings and go to the CSS, you can see that I've loaded in Font Awesome using a CSS base reset and an auto prefix. That probably doesn't matter if I don't use that because I'm not doing anything fancy here. So let's create our container for our icons. Icon bar, which contains okay, let's just create the icon bar first of all, and then we can create the tags, which would be I think times 4. Nope, that didn't work because I missed out the asterisk. Okay, so let's give them all a href link of hash so it doesn't go anywhere. We'll give this one a class of active, and then we can populate the actual icons, which would be class equals fa brand. So this one would be fa Facebook F. Okay, so we can see the F there. This one will be FA Apple. Then we've got Amazon. And then finally we have Google. Yeah, okay, so you can see all the icons there. So let's start it up. So I've got some nice colors here I'm going to use. Okay, so since this is SCSS, you're going to see some syntax that you don't normally see in CSS. So let's first of all give the icon bar width, icon bar width 90 pixels. And within that we have our anchors. Oh, by the way, let's give this a background color. Let's give it blue. Okay, let's give the actual anchors a color of aqua, so the lightest color in the blues I have here. Yeah, okay. Okay, so padding of 1 rem, font size of 2.25 rem, which translates to 36 pixels. Let's text align center and display block. Okay, probably should have done that first of all. Okay then, so what happens when we hover over one of them? So we'll have something like where we then want it to change to the darkest color, which would be actually the navy. Background color. Okay, let's test that out. Yep. Okay, so let's set the active class, the color of the active class, which would be orange. There you go. One last thing we can do is add a transition to the color. (0.3 S ease). Okay, so that brings the hovers in smoothly, so nicely in and nicely out. And that's it.